In this video, I will show you 5 simple steps to start affiliate marketing in Australia. Hey, my name is Harshil from futurepassiveincome.com. In this channel, I will show you different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribe. And I don't have to sell anything at the end of this video. So please don't worry about that. But if you want an instant access of my free affiliate marketing course, then check the link in the description below. So let's start the video. So the first step is, what is affiliate marketing? So if you don't know, then in affiliate marketing, you need to promote other people's product to earn a commission. That's it. You don't need to create any product, service or software. You don't need to deal with customers, inventory, refunds, nothing. You just need to drive targeted traffic to the sales page of the product. And if someone purchases a product, then you will receive a commission. As simple as that. So affiliate marketing is the very simple business model to start, even if you are a beginner. Now the next step is to choose a niche. Okay. So first of all, what is a niche? So niche is simply a category that you need to choose while starting your business. And I will recommend you to choose a niche that you are passionate about, skilled at, or have an interest. Okay. Because if you are not passionate about the niche that you are selecting, then you will be burned out from creating a content that you are not interested in, and after that you will quit. So that's the main reason why people quit and why people fail in affiliate marketing, because they choose a niche just to earn more commission. That's it. So please don't make that mistake. Now I will show you the 3 main evergreen niches that you can choose, which is health, wealth and relationship. But why 3 niches are evergreen? Because there is always interest and there are always great products that are available to promote. Now, health, wealth and relationship, these 3 niches are very broad niches. So, there are also a lot of sub niches around the main niche. Like in a health niche, there is a sub niche like keto diet or weight loss, vegan, back pain or diabetes. Similarly, in a wealth niche, there are a lot of sub niches like make money online, crypto, real estate, e-commerce, stocks, as well as in a relationship, also sub niches like dating or parenting or marriage. So I will recommend you to pick a sub niche instead of the main niche. And also, see, health niche is a broad niche, okay? And keto diet is a sub niche of health niche. But keto diet for women is also a sub niche of sub niche, right? So I will highly recommend you that if you are choosing a niche, then niche down 2 to 3 steps. Similarly, in a wealth niche, there is a make money online niche, okay? But if you want to make money online, then there is a lot of online business models that you can follow, okay? But affiliate marketing is one of them. So if you are in affiliate marketing niche, then if someone want to make money online, then you teach people how to make money online only with affiliate marketing. And there is also a relationship niche, which is the main niche, and dating is a sub niche, and dating for men or dating for women or dating for adults, which is the sub niche of sub niche. So I'll highly recommend you to niche down 2 to 3 steps. Why? Because if you niche down, then the person will show you as an authority in that niche, and after that, if you recommend any product or service to your audience, then the audience will more likely to buy from you, to take your recommendation, because they show you as an authority in the particular niche. Now in step 3, I will show you how to pick a product to promote. So there are a lot of products that you can promote, like physical products, digital products and software products. So if you want to sell physical products, then you can go to amazon.com or carousel.com, because these two websites sell all of the physical products. And amazon.com, everyone knows about Amazon because Amazon sells everything, right? And Amazon is a trusted brand, okay? So everyone knows about Amazon, so it's very easy for you as an affiliate to sell Amazon products. And digital products, you can sell digital products like online video courses or ebooks. And clickbank.com and commissionjunction.com is the best website to sell digital products. It doesn't matter that which niche you choose, because in clickbank.com and commissionjunction.com you will find all of the categories of products that you can promote. And there are also software products that you can promote, like GetResponse. So if you don't know what GetResponse is, then GetResponse is a software that helps you to build the sales funnels and automated email sequence to sell the product online. And then later in this video, I will show you how GetResponse works, how you can build a sales funnel to promote the product. But for this video, we will take an example of clickbank.com and we will sell digital products. And here is a clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, then click on sign up and create an account. It will only take 5 minutes to complete. Now I'm going to log into my account. Here you can see, here is the dashboard of clickbank.com, and if you make any sale, then it will shows here. Okay, so first go to marketplace, and here you can see there are a lot of categories of products that you can promote, like cooking, education, employment, games, health. But for this video, we will take health and fitness category, and here you can see there are a lot of products to promote. So first of all, sort the results by gravity. And here you can see there are a lot of products. See, this product has a 277 gravity. That means that 277 individual affiliates promote this product at least one time in a week. So it's a very good product to promote. And if you want to check the sales page of the product, then just click here. And here is the sales page of the product. Get your custom keto diet plan. So if you are going to choose a product, then I will highly recommend you to watch the video on the sales page. Because if you watch the video, then you will know that what is this product is about and how this product will help your audience to solve their problem. So you can watch the video here, and if you don't want to watch the video, then you can click here to read. And here you can see there is a written sales page of the product. You can go through the entire sales page so that you can know that what is this product and how this product will help your customers. Now, if you click here, affiliate page, then you will find a lot of resources that will help you to promote this product very easily. And here you can see the product creator will give you the product information, banners, social media, lead magnet. With the help of the lead magnet, you can capture the email address of the people that are interested in the product, and videos and all these things. And here you can see the average conversion is $49. So suppose if you refer any people to this product and that people will purchase a product, then you will get a $50 average conversion. So this is a very good product to promote. And once you select the product to promote, just click on the promote button. And here you can see there is an account nickname. That is your account nickname. And just click hop links. And here is the unique link. You just need to drive targeted traffic who are interested in this keto diet product. And once someone click on this link and make a purchase, then you will receive a commission. Now the next step is to build a sales funnel. So here you can see the basic sales funnel example. I will show you what is this about. So first there is a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. So you just need to drive traffic from any of the social media to the landing page. Okay. So what is the main purpose of landing page? So in a landing page, you just need to capture people's email address who are interested in the offer that you are promoting. Okay. Once you capture their email address, then there is a bridge page. So bridge page is also called the thank you page. So in a bridge page, there is a simple page where is one video, and at the below the video there is a button, and if someone click on this button, then the person will directly go to the affiliate offer that you are promoting. And once someone purchase a product, then you will receive a commission. Okay. And if someone not purchase a product, then that email will directly go to the email autoresponder that you collect from landing page. Suppose if you have 100 targeted people who are interested in the offer that you are promoting. Okay. So only 2 to 3% of people will purchase at the first time. So suppose if you have 100 people traffic to the affiliate offer, right, then only 2 to 3 people will purchase a product at the first time, and 97 people will not purchase a product. Okay. So you will get a very low conversion rate. So if you want to increase your conversion rate, then first you need to capture that email address, and once you capture that email address, and that email will directly go to the email autoresponder, and the person will get your emails every day that you set. Now I will show you how you can make a sales funnel of the keto diet product that we already choose. So here you can see I made a sample landing page for the product that we are promoting. Want to lose weight? Get your free customized keto diet plan to lose weight fast. And I made this title from the sales page of the product. See here, get your customized keto diet plan. So now someone enter the name and email, then the person will directly go to the thank you page of the product. And in a thank you page, there is one video. Okay. So you can shoot your own video. And if you don't want to show your face, then you can make a simple PowerPoint presentation video. And the main purpose of the thank you page video is to educate people about keto diet. And you need to tell people that how keto diet is the solution for your weight problem. Okay. And at the below the video, there is one button where you will embed your affiliate link. So if someone click on that button, then the person will directly go to the sales page of the product, and if someone purchase from here, then you will receive a commission. But what if someone will not purchase? Then the person will directly go to the email autoresponder. And I will tell you that you don't need to write the emails by yourself. You will get the emails from the affiliate page of the product that we are promoting. And here you can see the affiliate page of the product. And once you click on this link, then you will directly go here. And here you can find the email swipes. So you just need to download these emails into your PC. And here you can see you will write a pre-written emails to sell this product. Okay. So the product creator give you lot of emails. See here. That has a 5 emails that you can use to promote the product. And in those emails, there is an affiliate link. See here. There is your affiliate link. So if someone click on this link and make a purchase, then you will receive a commission. And I made this simple sales funnel in the software. It only took me 5 minutes to make. And if you want an instant access of the software, then check the link in the description below, and you will also get a 30 days free trial for the software. Now you already made your landing page, right? So now you just need to drive traffic from the social media to this landing page. Now in the next step, I will show you how you can generate a traffic using Facebook group. Okay, so we are promoting a keto diet product, and keto diet product help people to lose weight. Okay, so first go to Facebook and on a search bar write weight loss here, and then click on the groups. So here you can see there are a lot of groups related to weight loss. Okay, see this group has a 57k members, this group has a 168k members, this group has a 346k members. Okay, so join all of these Facebook groups, and once you join the group, then click on the group, and here you can see this is a daily weight loss tips group, and they have a 346k members. So there are a lot of members who are interested in losing weight. And here you can see there are a lot of posts that people are posting about lose weight. Now I will tell you one thing. Please don't spam your affiliate links in all this Facebook group. No, because if you do that, then the Facebook group admin will ban you from the group. Okay, so please don't do that. And also don't tell people to click on your link and make a purchase. No, because no one will purchase you, because no one will know you that who you are and how you can help them. Okay, so please don't do that. But now I will show you how you can promote any product in Facebook group with legit method. Now once you join the Facebook group, then just go here, write a post on Facebook, and I will show you the simple script that you can use to promote any product on Facebook group. Okay, and here you can see there is a simple script that you can use to promote any product. See, attention, do you want to learn exactly how to, and our product helps people to lose weight. Okay, so write here how to lose weight. Well, just using this powerful secret method, the person in the image below was able to lose their weight fast, something like that. It's so easy. If you want info, all you have to do is comment yes below, and I will share more details. Looking forward to sharing this with you. Okay, now where you will find the image, so just go to the sales page of the product, and here you can see they give lot of images about the people, about the transformation. Okay, so you just click here and save the image into your PC. Okay, and then go to Facebook and add this image into this post and click post. Now you are not spamming anything. Okay, you didn't tell people that click on my link and make a purchase. No, you are not spamming people, right? Now if you post this, then surely lot of people will comment yes. And now I will show you, if you receive any comment, then what you need to do next. Now suppose this person commented yes in your post, right? So just message them directly and tell them, I saw that you replied to my post in which group is this, daily weight loss tips. Okay, so just write daily weight loss tips, and here is the free presentation that shows you how to lose weight fast. And paste your landing page link. Don't paste your sales page link here. Just drive people to this landing page and first collect people's email address. Okay, so that you can follow up with them in future with your automated email sequence. So just paste your landing page link. Okay, and the person click on this link, and the person directly go to this page, and the person will enter the name and email address. Then they will show up the thank you page, and if someone click on this link, then the person will directly go to the sales page here. And if they make a purchase, then you will receive a commission. Okay, and what if they don't make a purchase? Then no worries, because you have a lot of email address that you already add into your email autoresponder, right? So they will get all of your emails daily, and if they open your email, then they will show here like this. Okay, and once they click on the link on that email, then the person will directly go to the sales page of the product again. And if the person make a purchase, then you will receive a commission. Okay, so if the person will not purchase the first time, not second time, not third time, but definitely if you tell the person that this is the solution that you are looking for, then the person will click on the link and make a purchase, and you will receive a $50 average, right? So it's a very good method to promote any product on Facebook group without spamming people. And you can also use this trick in a lot of pages related to weight loss or also keto diet, because the product that you are promoting tell people that how they can lose their weight using keto diet. Okay, so the people in the keto diet group will more likely to purchase your product. And follow this simple method in a lot of groups, and a lot of people will give their email address into a landing page, right? And you can also follow up with them in future you can also promote them other good products related to weight loss. Suppose the people who are not interested in the keto product, right? So you can also promote them other good products that can help them to lose their weight. If you are serious about learning affiliate marketing, then get instant access of my free affiliate marketing course. You will find the link in the description below. And if you learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel, because in this channel I will show you the different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. See you in the next video.